Hello friends, thanks for tuning in. Today I'll be making turkey meatballs on pasta. I guess you watched my other video where I made turkey meatballs. That came out really delicious. So we are going to use the same meatballs and make pasta today and top it up with some sauce and a few meatballs. That is going to come out yummy. So let's get cooking. Here I have half an onion diced, red peppers, mushrooms, and we also have parsley to top it off. Here I've placed the meatballs just to heat up a little. I'm going to add a few onions. Just make sure the flame is on low. We just want to get the onions caramelized. Here I have the water boiling for the pasta. Throw in the peppers. We're just going to cook them for a minute. Let's add a little bit of garlic. Gives a nice garlicky flavor. Whenever you add garlic, just make sure you add it in the end so that you don't lose the flavor of it. Here I have marinara sauce. After adding the sauce, just make sure the meatballs are mixed well because you want the sauce to coat them. Wow, this is looking yummy yummy. We could let this cook for another minute till the noodles are ready. This is how you stop the process of cooking. Wow, this looks yummy yummy. We actually forgot to put the sauce. The sauce should have gone over the noodles, but that's fine. Here's the sauce. Delicious, guys. Look at this, guys. Turkey meatballs on pasta. Doesn't this look delicious? One's for you and the other one's for me. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.